Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we are going to finish the project. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss HP of zombies and plants, and how zombies react when they encounter plants. And then we will also set these small carts and shovels ready. Finally, add some BGM and complete the whole project. Now, let's scratch. First, about some settings of the zombies, including HP of the zombies, the reaction when they get hit by peas, the reaction when they encounter plants and carts. So, make a variable HP. Make sure to choose for this sprite only. Then, for the convenience of the test, assume that just 2 peas can knock down a zombie. Find this script of zombie sprite and set HP to 100. If touching P, change HP by -50. Then if not HP greater than 0, delete this clone. If touching zombie, delete this clone. We need to add a delay here in P sprite. Wait 0.1 seconds or even 0 seconds. Perfect. 2 Ps bring down a zombie. Next, when zombies encounter plants, they should stop and attack plants. So if touching either of these plants, move 0 step, else move to the left. Next, zombies are going to attack. It's about the costumes. So find this sprite. If touching plants, they should switch costumes of zombie attacking, else switch costumes of walking. These blocks represent walking, so define them as walking. Then copy and modify to define attack. There are 43 costumes in zombie sprite, and from 23 to the last, they are attacking. So the statement here should be, costume number is greater than 22 and less than 43. Else switch costume to zombie attack. Okay, the zombie starts attacking the plant, but when they first touch the sunflower, they will go a little further. We can use another variable to do it. When the zombie starts as a clone, set the variable to 0. When it attacks, change the variable check by 1. Then add these blocks under the blocks that define attack. If check equal to 1, move -8 to the left. In this way, it will move when it touches a plant for the first time. After that, it won't move anymore, because check will be greater than 1 after the zombie finish eating a plant. If it met another plant, it should move again. Set check to 0. Now, this problem is fixed. Next, plants should be able to be eaten by zombies. Go to sunflower sprite. Make variable HP and choose for this sprite only. Then add a script like this. When I start as a clone, set HP to 100 and change HP by -10 when touching zombies. Detect every 0.5 seconds. In this way, it takes about 5 seconds to eat a plant. When I press space, the timer will return to 0. Let's verify how long it takes to eat a sunflower. About 5 seconds, well enough. If we want to plant another at the same grid, look, we can't do it. This involves the list we created earlier about grid occupation. In this list, the value of the 6th item is 1, which represents that the grid is still occupied. So, before deleting this clone, we need to replace item ID to 0. And you should know that ID is for this sprite only as well. The other plants are the same. Good. It is 0 again after the plant was eaten. And now we can plant a new one here. Next, when zombies touch the cart, they should be cleared out. So, go to the cart sprite. When the game starts, create 4 clones. When I start as a clone, go to the left side. Then use variable 2. Set the clones of the carts at the left end of each row. When touching the zombies, move all the way to the right and delete the clone. Next, go to the zombie sprite. Add a script like this. When I start as a clone, Wait until touching cart. Stop other script in Sprite. Then wait 0.1 seconds, so that it will move to the left with the cart. Let's take a look at the result without wait 0.1 seconds block. Now, the zombie has no contact with the cart at all. When we add wait 0.1 seconds block, it's like the cart pushed the zombies away. Next, about the shower. Go to the tool sprite. It has two costumes, so switch costume to the first one at first. When the sprite is clicked, react according to the costume. If costume number is equal to 1, the shower is available, so clone the shower and change the costume to the empty one. When the shower sprite starts as a clone, go to the mouse pointer. Else, when the toolbox is empty, broadcast done. Then go to the shower sprite and delete this clone, and switch the tool's costume to the first one. So the shower is ready. Next, go to the plants sprite and add a script like this. If mouse down and touching shower, replace ID of status with 0. In this way, we will be able to plant in this grid again. The other plants are the same. Give it a go. At last, improve the program, such as adding BGM, sound effects of victory and defeat, when to show or hide the cards, and the settings of the plants when you won or lost the game. And the zombies can be knocked down by only 2 pieces. Let's restore it to normal. For example, 10 pieces can bring down a zombie. Finally, when you win the game, the trophy pops out. Let's take a look at the whole game. That's it for today. See you next time.